When Kerr first introduced Herculite Composite Restorative in 1984, it represented true innovation as the first submicron composite material with an average particle size of 0.6 microns. With its revolutionary hybrid formula, Herculite delivered significantly improved polishability and wear resistance, making it the first true anterior-posterior composite. A few years later, in 1991, Herculite XRV was introduced and quickly became the industry standard for universal anterior-posterior use by expanding the scope of Herculite to a variety of translucencies in the full Vita shade range. Since then, more than 250 million teeth have been filled with Herculite XRV. Now, Kerr is proud to introduce new Herculite Ultra, a nanotechnology restorative material that takes composite performance and aesthetics to a new level. This module will show how Herculite Ultra builds on the proven performance of Herculite to make placing anterior and posterior restoratives easier and more aesthetic than ever before. Herculite Ultra is a light cure, resin-based, universal composite restorative designed for direct placement. Indicated for all cavity classes in anterior and posterior teeth, Herculite Ultra's use of nanotechnology and smaller filler particles offers improved handling, polishability, clinical luster, wear resistance, and X-ray radiopacity. Herculite Ultra retains the same resin matrix and shading system as Herculite XRV, but the improved translucency of the enamel shades allows the restorations to blend in perfectly with the surrounding dentition, enabling chameleon-like restorations from a single syringe. Herculite Ultra also offers the same excellent handling properties, low shrinkage, and good physical properties you've come to expect from Herculite XRV. Available in both syringe and unidose delivery systems, new Herculite Ultra provides the convenience and ease of handling you need for each clinical case. By using the same resin matrix, Herculite Ultra retains the proven mechanical strength, color stability, and clinical performance of Herculite XRV. However, Herculite Ultra's advanced nanotechnology delivers additional benefits that can't be found in traditional microhybrid composites. As a nanohybrid composite, Herculite Ultra combines Kerr's proprietary 0.4 micron filler with nanofiller particles. These smaller particles enable Herculite Ultra to deliver improved polish and clinical gloss, better aesthetics, and superior mechanical strength. As we can see in these photos, the Herculite Ultra filler particles are even smaller than the Herculite XRV particles. In fact, Herculite Ultra filler particles are smaller than the wavelength of visible light. This allows the restoration to retain a shiny clinical surface even after long-term toothbrush wear. The result is restorations that retain their strength, polish, and luster much longer than traditional microhybrid composites. In addition to its remarkable aesthetic capabilities, Herculite Ultra delivers superb handling and mechanical properties without sacrificing performance. Creamy, non-sticky, and thixotropic, Herculite Ultra keeps its shape and is easy to sculpt. It adapts well to margins and cavity walls and is good for packing and condensing in posterior restorations. This combination of high wear strength and mechanical properties enables you to create durable, long-lasting restorations in any area of the mouth. And Herculite Ultra's chameleon-like quality creates a lifelike appearance that replicates the fluorescence and opalescence of the tooth for a more natural-looking restoration. Available in the most popular enamel and dentin shades, Herculite Ultra is specially crafted to match the standard Vita shade guide, so there's no need for a custom shade guide. Simply select the right shade from the Vita guide in your office, and you're on your way to creating a beautiful, long-lasting restoration. Prior to placing Herculite Ultra, make sure the tooth is properly bonded. Kerr recommends using OptiBond All-in-One, which is included in the Herculite Ultra kit. When using the syringe delivery, select the desired shade and extrude sufficient material onto a pad, backing off the syringe at least 2 full turns to relieve pressure on the material. Begin placing increments onto the bonded tooth no more than 2 millimeters at a time. After placing each increment, blend the composite to ensure marginal adaptation and light cure according to specification. When working on multiple surfaces, cure each surface for the recommended time. When using the unidose delivery system, insert the tip and properly align within the dispenser. Position the tip at the deepest portion of the preparation, dispense a layer of composite, and follow the same application technique and curing steps as with the syringe delivery. For proper curing times, please refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. For 20 years now, dentists have relied on Herculite XRV as the industry standard for microhybrid composite materials. Now, with new Herculite Ultra and its nanotechnology, you get even better performance and aesthetics while enjoying the same non-sticky handling and ease of use. With its smaller filler particles, Herculite Ultra is easier to polish to a high gloss, and it retains its polish longer than traditional microhybrids. It offers higher compressive strength for better fracture toughness and wear resistance, and its natural opalescence and fluorescence allow the restoration to blend perfectly with the surrounding dentition. Plus, the standard Vita shading system makes it simple to match the right shade with the tooth. For a state-of-the-art restorative material that works equally well in anterior and posterior areas, choose new Herculite Ultra from Kerr.